Yo. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon for other states. Good evening for other states. Right here, what we got here? The wideband for good measure the mix fuel ratio. Right here, we just install it. The sensor is the most difficult part. The jpipe. This is a private label jpipe. A lot of people don't go with that. With this brand, I go. Works awesome. Really lightweight. Really light. I like it. Right here. Why? To get both heads. I can install it in one of the O2 sensor sockets, but really no, I want to have the exactly measure. And right here in this point, you got the both heads right here. Right now we're gonna install the J-pipe and start running the cables to inside the car, and let's see how we're going. Wideband AEM. It came with everything. Cables, more cables, connectors, and another face display. I'm gonna keep the black one. Pretty much that's it. Yeah, we're gonna install the J-pipe. Let's see how it goes. Really, I think it's really easy job. Just right here, because this is a stainless steel. I make a simple hole with this, just a single one, just for mark where the sensor is going to be. The instruction says the sensor had to be like this. No sideways, no up. It had to be like in that horizontal line or way. No sideways, no 90 degrees, no 0 degrees, just like this, like maybe 30 degrees. Yeah, to better reading. Yeah, that's it pretty much. I'm gonna now install the J-pipe and gonna start running all the cables through the car. Thank you for watching. Sorry for a mess. JV61320, Hesperia, California. Jesus is the King of Kings. Thank you for watching, YouTubers.